Hi, today in this video we'll discuss uh, the group and subgroup of the Excel. Okay, so here on the top you are seeing this ribbon. So these are the called group. For example, home is a group. So here you can see the clipboard, font, alignment, okay, numbers, styles, cells, and editing. Similarly, the insert is another group. Okay, so here you can see, right, tables, illustrations, audience, charts, tools, spark lines, filters, links, text, and symbols. Similarly, under page layout you can see the themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, and arrange. Under formula group you can see the function library, define names, formula editing, and calculation. Similarly, under data group you can see the get external data, get and transfer, connection tab, sort and filter tab, data tools, forecast, and outline. Similarly, under review tab you can see the proofing, insights, language, comments, and changes. Similarly, under view tabs you can see the workbook, views, source, zoom, windows, and macro. Similarly, if you have any additional tabs, those also it will show it here in this Excel. Okay, so under each section, right, under example, under home tab, under clipboard or font, in the font example there is a font, this is the font size, and this is the increase the font size or decrease the font size, and this is like how to fill the color, and this is to font color. Okay, this bold, italic, or underline, and this is a table. Similarly, under alignment tab you can see top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment, and right alignment, justify or center alignment. Okay, left alignment. Under clipboard like cut, copy, paste, and format painter. Under alignment also like wrap, text, and merge center. Under number you can see like number, percentage, dollar symbol, okay, to increase the decimal or to decrease the decimal. Similarly, under styles you can see the conditional formatting, format as tables, cell styles. Under cells you can see the insert, delete formats. Under editing you can see auto sum, fill, and clear. We'll see all these things in details in my upcoming video. Similarly, under insert you can see like pivot table, recommended tables, pictures, shapes, charts, okay, line, different charts, header, footer. Okay, under page layout you can see like margins, orientation, size, print area, background, page break, print tiles, everything. Similarly, under formula you can see so many formula like all the formula like financial formula, logical formula, text formula. Okay, similarly, under formal auditing we say trace precedent, trace dependents. Okay, and similarly under data you can see like you can connect with the various data like from access, from web application, from text, from different sources, different existing connections or new query, no, from the tables, no, and you can refresh it, you can sort it, you can filter it, you can you can convert the text to column, you can find the duplicate, you can data validation. Okay, similarly under review tab you can do the spelling, you can do the thesaurus, you can do the smart lookup, translate. Okay, you can lock the sheet, you can lock the workbook, you can share the workbook. Under view you can see the normal view, page break, preview, page layout, custom view, grid line, headline, everything you can see here. Okay, so this is how the grouping and subgrouping. Okay, example, you want to create a new group. Okay, new group, so you could just go to file. Okay, you go to options. Okay, so here you can see the uh, advanced, customized ribbon. Okay, so under customized ribbon you can see here main tabs that's showing, right, this tabs. Okay, so like home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formula tab. So you want to add a new tab, you just click new tab. Okay, so example, you want to give the name. So example, I'm just clicking giving a name. uh, Example, my fave tab. Okay, so you can just make a symbol. Okay, so fave tab came. Sorry, new tab. So new tab, I'm just clicking it. So here called favorite tab. Okay, and under that you can create a new group. Okay, so first is the favorite, and another group you can call it. You can delete it, you can just remove it. Okay, so under favorite tab, just click OK. Just see here what's happening. So here one new tab created. Okay, so the new tab created, like home tab, insert tab. This is a new tab created, and under this tab, example, you want to make some group, right? So again, I will go to file, I will go to options, and I will go to customize ribbon, and here, right? So under here you can make a, like example, you want to put the font, right? Just bring the font here. Okay, you want to font size, you can bring it here. You can bring file fill color, you can to bring it here. Okay, increase font size, you can bring it here. Okay, so you created your font, you created the group, you created the favorite uh, tab, right? So you just click OK. Now see. Okay, so this is you created, right? So earlier when you saw, the home tab was there, insert tab, page layout, formula, data, review, right? So then I created one favorite tab. In the favorite tab, I created a favorite group, and under favorite group, I put the font, I put the fill color, I put the size, increase size, or font, no, font size. Similarly, if you want to create one more group, so again you go to font, file, you go to options, and you go to customize ribbon. So here is right. So again you want to new group, right? So you just click new group. Okay, and under new group, example, you want to rename. So example of fab 2. Okay, fab 2. So now two group created, right? So similarly you can do it. Clear? So this is how the uh, tab gets getting created and group getting created. If you want to remove it, just click and go to options. If you want to remove it, go to customization. You want to remove this one, right? So you go to remove here. It got removed. This one select again. Remove here. It got removed. So now you see here only tab is there. Group got removed. Now you want to remove this one. Remove this tab. So you again go to file. You can go to options, and you can go to customize ribbon, and this favorite tab, just click on take it or take it here and remove it, right? So now okay, so now this tab also got removed. Okay, so hope this video helped you to understand how to create the group, how to create the tab inside the Excel, and how to use it efficiently. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. See you in my next video.